What if we lived in a world of angles? By the way, this is Jeff. Say hi, Jeff. Hi. And little Jeff here is gonna explain to us the angles of whatever. I don't really know right now. Number 1, acute. Acute baby? No, acute angle. An acute angle is when an angle is less than 90 degrees. As you can see in this picture right here, it's just an example. The answer would be 35 because 90 minus 55 is 35. Moving on. Moving on is the right angle, and that is an angle of exactly 90 degrees. Oh, and here's an example of the right angle. Take it all in, see what's there. Moving on, the obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle which is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Oh, and here's a kind of blurry example of what I brought to you guys. Enjoy it. Straight angles. A straight angle is an angle equal up to 180 degrees. Here's a pixelated image of a purple example of a straight angle. Complementary angles. Complementary angles are two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. And here's the example of the complementary. My phone fell. And here's an example of the complementary angle. Moving on. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are either of two angles whose sum is 180 degrees. Oh, and here's a very pixelated image of a supplementary angle. Alright, moving on. Vertical angles. Vertical angles are each of the pairs of opposite angles made by two intersecting lines. Here's a pretty example. Kind of blurry though. Alright, moving on. And last but definitely not least, the Edson. How do you pronounce that?
Adjacent.
Oh, okay. Adjacent angle. Adjacent angles are two angles that have a common side and a common vertex. And here's your example on that adjacent angle. And yeah. Well, this pretty much wraps it up. Thank you for listening to the angles of math. The angles of math. Yep. Thank you.